Hey, have you ever thought about what it takes to build your online empire from scratch? Well, my name is Michael De La Cruz, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start building your online empire from zero today. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to it. And before I get started and share with you this valuable information on how to start an online business from scratch, let me tell you, back in 2012, I was pretty much struggling, living paycheck to paycheck, and I had no energy to do the things that I wanted to do with my loved ones. So it wasn't until one day that I fell asleep at my desk that I was like, enough is enough. I need to find something that will redesign my life. So I went online to look for solutions, and I found this one thing, and this something is pretty much building an online business, and I did this from scratch. So that's why I'm excited to share this information with you. And if by any chance this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and that bell notification. That way every time I upload a video, you'll be immediately notified. I post anything that has to do with building an online business, online marketing, personal development, making money online, or anything that you can think of that's going to help you create success. Those are the type of things that I pretty much upload in my channel, and anything that has to do with entrepreneurship. So if you're into any of those topics, hit subscribe and let's go ahead and get to it, my friend. Building an online empire is not rocket science. It's not reserved for the tech savvy or the marketing gurus. It's for anyone who's willing to put in the effort to learn and to adapt. It's for anyone who's willing to take action, to take risks, and to push beyond their comfort zones. So, how do you start building your online empire from scratch, I ask again? Well, the first step, here it is, write this down. The first step is to identify your niche. Here's what I mean. So I'm going to go to this website right here. This website right here is a good website to start out with. To pretty much find a niche. So a niche can be something you're passionate about, or it could just be something you're pretty much interested in. So as you can see, there's different niches here or interests that you can pick. So pick the one that's that you love or that you're interested in, and just roll with that. So basically, on this website, you can find different products that will serve that niche. Okay, so this is what I mean by niche. It's pretty much an industry that you're passionate about, or you have an interest in, and basically you're going out there and providing products that will solve the problems that people in this niche are having. Once you identify your niche, then you pretty much want to ask yourself, what problems do you want to solve? What value can you provide to others? And this is where this website here that I just mentioned comes in. Basically, you go here to a website like this, and you find different products that will solve the problems that that your niche is having. Your niche is simply your foundation of your online empire, and it's what sets you apart from the rest. So this is how you're going to be differentiated from the rest of the other people providing value out there. Once you identify your niche, you need to create what I call a business plan. And this is where a lot of people get stuck when I try to mentor them. If you don't have a business plan, or you have no clue where to start, I highly recommend you find a program that will give you and provide you with this most important, component here. If you don't have a way to, to develop a business plan, you can check out my number one recommendation below. Once you get started, we'll give you all the blueprint you need to pretty much, go out there and launch your online empire. Okay, so this is where your outline, your goals, your target audience, your marketing strategy, and your revenue streams. Your business plan is pretty much your roadmap to success, and is what will guide you every step of the way. Next, you need to leverage social media and online marketing strategies to reach your target audience. So every time I help people do this, this is what I show them. This is what a good strategy looks like. For making money online, you need something called a funnel. So a funnel in the online marketing world, is pretty much getting traffic or eyeballs, people on the internet looking for solutions, then driving that traffic to something called a squeeze page, which basically is going to help you build what I call an email list. Okay, after they opt into that into that squeeze page, which is pretty much giving you permission to send them information about whatever it is that you're promoting. It could be a free book, a free video presentation, etc. Then they're gonna watch something, they're gonna go to the sales page, which is basically the presentation of a product or something that's gonna help them solve the problem. All right. Once you have these 3 or 4 things together, this is the 4th thing right here, which is an autoresponder. Then you already have your online empire, set up, ready to start generating, you revenue and pretty much helping you provide value and deliver products and offers in a way that is more engaging and is more helpful to that audience that you're building. This right here is where you pretty much build your brand. You create engagement and you drive traffic again to your website. This is where you build relationships, you provide value, and you make sales. Content marketing is another crucial aspect of building an online empire. This is where you create valuable content such as blog posts, videos, and podcasts that educate, inspire, and entertain your audience. This is where you build trust, you establish authority, and you drive conversions. So as you can see, if you are on my YouTube channel, I have a lot of content that I have built over the years that actually provide people with value and help many people pretty much break through and get unstuck from not even being able to build their online empire, right? So all these videos are helpful to anybody that wants to make money online, wants to learn side hustles or things that's gonna help them create their online empire. So this is a form of content. I also have my blog or website, succeedwithmichael.com, which there you can find blog posts, content as well, and things that pretty much build value and inspire people to do the things they want to do in life. Email marketing is another powerful tool in your online marketing arsenal. This is where you build a list of subscribers, and I feel like I mentioned this before, but you create targeted campaigns and you drive sales. This is where you build relationships, you provide value, and you make offers that resonates with your audience. So as I mentioned earlier, when you have this set up right here, this is exactly what you're doing. You're building, an email audience that you can connect with. So anybody in your email list or anybody that that is successful online has an email list, and basically that's the audience you want to build when you're building your online empire. And that audience is the audience you're going to be providing value to, and making offers and pretty much building a relationship, educate them and make their life better, right? So that's what you're doing by having this setup right here, which is traffic, eyeballs, people on the internet being driven to a squeeze page to build your email list, and then having an offer. And of course you want to have an autoresponder so you can build your list and you can follow up with people. Okay, all the links that I have in my description below or anywhere on this content has my recommended tools that I use to have this set up. But basically this is all you need as far as setup to start building your online empire. Next is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is another way to build an online empire. This is where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for each sale made. This is where you build partnerships, you create value, and you earn passive income. So going back to this website over here, where you can find products, first you find your niche, then you find the products that's going to solve the problems in that niche. You can pretty much go here and find products, and every time somebody clicks the link, when you hit promote now, it's gonna generate a link. When somebody clicks that link and buys something, you earn commission. So this right here is a form of affiliate marketing, and it's how I personally have been building my online empire online through affiliate marketing. Why? Because I don't have to waste time and money in creating products, right? And having to do product research. The product and the marketing material, everything's already done for me. So all I gotta do is just grab the link and start promoting. All right, so this is why I love affiliate marketing so much, and it's my number one recommendation for anybody starting out. Next one is creating and selling online courses. So creating and selling online courses is another way to build an online empire. This is where you share your knowledge, your skills, and your expertise with others. This is where you create value, you build authority, and you earn passive income. The next one is building an online community. It's another crucial aspect of building an online empire. This is where you bring like-minded individuals together, you create a sense of belonging, and you build a loyal following. This is where you provide value, you build relationships, and you drive sales. All right, So you see a lot of successful people creating this, building communities online, such as groups where people come together and they share ideas. So what's holding you back from building your online empire? Is it fear of failure? Is it lack of guidance? Is it overwhelm? Whatever it is, it's time to face your fears. It's time to take action, and it's time to start building. One of my favorite success stories is that of Sarah. She's a stay-at-home mom who built a 7-figure online business from scratch. Again, I gotta disclaim, results not typical. It's gonna take some effort, but she was able to build an 7-figure online business from scratch. She started by identifying her niche, creating a business plan, and pretty much leveraging social media and online marketing strategies. She then created valuable content, like what I showed you. She built an email list and launched a series of successful products. Today, she's a renowned expert in her field. She's built a loyal following, and she's living the life of her dreams. So I love stories like this. Sarah's success story is not unique though. There are countless others who have built successful online empires from scratch. They're ordinary people who have achieved extraordinary results by simply focusing on progress, not perfection, by taking action, and by being willing to learn from their mistakes. So, what's the secret to their success? It's not about being lucky or talented. It's about having the right mindset, the right strategy, and the willingness to put in the effort. It's about being focused, being disciplined, and being patient. It's about being willing to learn, to adapt, and to pivot when necessary. So, building an online empire is not a get-rich-quick scheme, neither, okay? It's a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and perseverance. But the rewards are pretty much worth it. I can testify to that. The freedom, the flexibility, and the financial rewards are unparalleled. So, what's the most important step you can take today to start building your online empire? It's to take action, to focus on progress, not perfection, I keep mentioning that, and to be willing to learn from your mistakes. It's to identify your niche, and I give you an example how to do that. Create a business plan. If you have no idea, again, my number one recommendation below can help you with that. And simply leverage social media and online marketing strategies, which, you gotta learn the skills, and we actually teach you how to do that. And it's to start building your brand, your community, and your movement. All right. So in conclusion, building an online empire is not rocket science. It's not reserved for the tech savvy or the marketing gurus. It's for anyone who's willing to put in the effort to learn and to adapt. It's for anyone who's willing to take action, to take risks, and to push beyond their comfort zones. So, what do you say? Are you ready to start building your online empire from scratch? Check out my number one recommendation in the description below and simply get access to that information. And if you love what you see, simply get started, and I'll see you on the inside. Other than that, follow me for more tips, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.